Um, so here is the there's find the last non-zero digits of factorial. So our purpose is to find the last non-zero digits of the factorial of a given non-negative number. And so here is two examples. The input is 4, so the output, when we use 4 factorial, the last digit, which is 4, and here is 5, and we calculate the 5 factorial is 120. So the last non-digit, which is 2. And here is the constraints. So mm, so first, um, so first we can pre-compute the values because so what I'm going to do is first we step 1. First we can compute to the value from from 0 to 9, and then we can to so so if a number is smaller than 10, so we just use the value when we compute a step 1. Otherwise, we can use a recursion. So in here, we have to check the number is odd or even. And we can then use recursion. So let's do the code. So first, we calculate the first one, 0 to 9. So we can use an array to store the answers. 1, 1, 2, 6, 4, 2, 2. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here is we pre-compute the value, and then we check First we define the function last non digit, and the argument is n, and we have to check if n is smaller than 10. Then we just return the, and the index is a number. And then another situation is if so we first we have to remove the 0 in the end, and then we can and so if this equals 2, then that means it's so that means it's even number. So we just return so we could use the recursion here. Here would be some multiple. Then we multiply the index will be remove the 10 in the end, and finally remove the 0 in the end. Then we can got the final return. And another situation is its number is odd, so we return is 4. And so the input n is in, we want it to int. And then we print last digits. So argument is so we check the code. line. Okay, complete. If it's only that, mm, the step one, because we just learn, um, if we check the code again, multiple 10, zero, we return 6, 1 digit. Mm, think defines, mm, 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 mm. So wise, we need to return 0. Print last name. It's not input, it's input. Let's take a little. So we have the code here. And then we can use an example to, for example, we input n is 10. So first first we find out is bigger than 10. So we just go to this if else. And so we well we uh co- find out this is 1 because and then we reduce this and also turns out 1, and we find out it's not an even number, so we just return this. So after the recursion, we can find out is 8. So it's 4. We calculate 10 and so we got 0. So the digit 0 is 1. And we use 4 multiple 2 and multiple 1, which is 8. 8 and then we got the 8. So finally we will output 8.